Instructions say to cut this tube at, what do they say actually? Plastic tube, 195 millimeters. I did that. And this one. Now, when you put this together, it's got to stop here. So make sure that when you're going straight, it turns the right amount both directions. Okay? Now, it's telling us, I want to put this on the outside because I think I want to have the steering as little as possible. So, it has to do that. Okay. I'm just going to size this in here. Well, guess what? Unless I do a lot of cutting, or maybe I can just, I think we have to clear this channel out just a little bit more down here. Remember, it did ask you to cut that out. I'm going to cut that out just a little more. Oh. Okay. Get that little bit of foam out of there. And we'll test fit this again. Make sure that plastic tube comes right to the front there. And push it in. And I'll be right back because there's a timer going off. Okay, so we got this fitting here, right? And the rod comes up and goes through here. That all looks like it fits really good. It's going to be just underneath the battery, right? And you can see that we have, well, when I hold the right part, steering control. Okay? Now, that all is like that, went ahead and looked ahead in the instructions, way ahead, a long ways ahead I guess, to make sure that I didn't have to Z-bend this. If we had to Z-bend this, I'd do it now. We don't. So, we zoom through the instructions. Now, they want us to glue it together. Okay? So, I don't know if that's the best thing to do. They glue it together now and then where is it? Way up here. There's the tail section. The elevator. And rudder. Well, I guess that's okay. You see, a lot of airplanes would have a guide with something plastic in here. Huh. That's very interesting that I don't have any instructions to show for a guide. Let me double check and I'll be right back. Okay, they put the plastic tube here. Nowhere in the instructions do I use the rest of this plastic tube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half, approximately. Okay, we'll make 2 pieces. And I'm going to put one here. Okay, right there. And one up out of here. Okay, so these here now, oh, make sure you open the ends. This end is closed off. Really frustrating later to try to get the tube in it if you couldn't. Okay, so Make sure they're open. I'm going to put these here as guides for my elevator and rudder. Yes, we are. So, first off, we're going to use a little bit of their glue. Use a GWS glue. Okay, put a little bit on there. Okay, fine. On the back side, a little dabble will go a long ways with this stuff as it bit. It's like a contact cement, okay? So we're gonna put him in here, rub it back and forth a bit, and then use a piece of tape and tape it in place. Back with some Scotch tape. Now this is nothing very special. Just gonna put a little tape on there, make sure that we can still reach this with the angle from where the servos are going to be mounted here. Right? You don't want that too high. Right? Okay. And then this one, we'll put just a little dabble of glue there. Well, that sort of sucks, you know, because it's going to get glue on the end. I don't want that. Oh well, well. Okay. I don't know if this really needs any tape. It sort of does because it's going to be held up here. Up a bit. So, we use a little tape. We gotta be able to get the rod in that. We want it just about taped onto there. One more little piece of tape. The reason I'm using tape is it's really lightweight. These aren't rockets. The glue's gonna help there. Right? Okay. So, get this tape down. Got those glued in. Well, you know what, for now, I'm going to take the tape off that, take the pressure off that joint. Get that glue set up, then I'll tape it down. Okay, same as this one. We had that glue set up for about an hour. Okay, we got the front end here. Now, I don't think we're going to glue this end because it's all going to get glued in when we glue the fuselage halves together. So, while this glue sets, we'll wait and we'll be back to glue the halves together.